once.
Yeah, I was thinking, I don't know how it would work.
Pushed too hard.
Ooh.
The puppet became entangled in the drill, shot across the room.
Because it also heats as you do it, right?
Oh, I didn't get him to that stage. I just got to the part of ripping it up with a incomplete catastrophe. I don't have a hand steady enough to do that. So now, if you're really serious about doing this kind of puppet making, this is really the process, the art and the process. You spend a lot of time doing these little snipping, refining things to get a really smooth look. So one of the comments that a lot of people give me on my puppets is they like how smoothly I'm able to attach the fabric to the puppet. This is sort of really key to that process, is blending the edges of your pieces. People who do makeup and use prosthetics, putting on fake noses and brow ridges and things like that, they too talk a lot about blending the edges of those prosthetics so the fake part of the actor blends in with the real parts of the actor. This is very much along those same lines, blending the engineering edges. And it's time consuming and it's messy, and we're all going to be walking away with foam rubber bits on us.
Now, at home or in your studio, do you work at this speed that you're working right now, or is it slower?
No, I tend to go to town on it. I really zip.
Yes?
Yeah, I know, again, as you saw how easy it is to fix a mistake there.
Yeah.
So you go too much, and if you cut off too much, then you can just spray glue down another piece and blend that in. But let's see how that's doing now, because you did see, I'm making a messier studio
That's
here.
okay. We're so used to that.
Look how much this stuff, it's just impossible to get this stuff off. Where's my scrap piece of foam? Back here, everything is sticking to everything else. Okay.
It doesn't work with the roller as it works with the foam.
I actually find it works better with this, yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's pull this down, and look there.
Let's see. Yes.
So that's really, so the cheek line that we were initially concerned about, that's gone. That's completely gone. And that edge, that little ridge line that we saw there, that's gone and pretty smooh there.
Very cool.
So let's continue that here on the other side. And once again, if we lay that down, you can see that ridge. Again, it's not horrible.
Not bad.
But it's the difference between a really polished look to your puppets